These pretzels, they're pretty good for your tummy tum. Know what I'm saying? Know what I'm saying? Just try one. See a freaking pretzel. Eat it.
Pretzels are so good. It's so nutritious. It's like zero fattening.
I know. I mean, like, you can eat like a whole big bag of these and you won't get fat at all.
And then dip them in Mountain Dew and whipped cream. So good.
Maybe some sour cream too. With add some tomatoes.
Yeah. And onions. Gives it lots of flavor.
Oh, yummy flavor.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Gives it really good flavor. So try pretzels.
Just
Get
try
them
it.
at Walmart,
Meijer, CVS,
CVS,
a gas station, an airport.
anywhere. They're so good. Thank you for watching our pretzel show. So good.